Okay, so we've gone ahead and finished our bubble diagram. We've finished determining the square footage of each room to making sure it meets the requirements. And you've also gone ahead and finished your graph paper with all your dimensions and room labels and things of that nature. The next step is going to be in a new program called Autodesk Homestyler. So to access these directions, again, I'm in your OneNote binder, and you can go ahead and copy this Homestyler page out of the content library into your own binder. So starting off with number one, you're going to transfer your design from your graph paper into a 2D and 3D model through the software, which is in this link right here, and we'll go there in a second. The first thing you have to do when you go into that link is create a free account. And what I recommend and what you should do is use your school email address and your school password to keep everything the same so you don't forget anything. And if you would also like, you can type that username and password here just in case you forget so you can reference it later on. So let's go ahead and go to the website. When you click on the link, it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. You may get a window that pops up right away. You can go ahead and just close that. And you'll also notice that it says sign in up here, so I'm not currently logged in. You can just click join now. And then you can type in your screen name, give an email address, first name, last name, password, and so on, and go ahead and fill that out. And then once you do that, you'll see your name up here, so that indicates that you're logged into your account. It's very important that you have your own account because this is a cloud-based system. If you notice, I'm on the web. So the thing that's really cool about this program is you'll be able to access it anywhere you have an internet connection. So you don't have to be on your school device. You could be on your uncle's computer or anybody else's computer. As long as you have an internet connection, you can go to this website and log into your account and access your floor plan design. So after you've gone ahead and created an account, you can go ahead and start taking a look at some of the options that you have over here on the left-hand toolbar. I'm just going to show you a few small things. I am really going to let you learn how to do this on your own through the help menu. There are video tutorials that this site has already made for new users. So go ahead and take a look at these videos that they have so you can begin learning how to use this software. But I'm just going to drag this out really quick and make some changes here. And then I'm going to switch to 3D. So right away you can drag in a room, you can switch to 3D. You just saw how I changed the different sizes of this room. The one thing that they don't mention in the videos that I wanted to stress was after you've finished a room, and it's all the sizes that you want, so all these numbers are correct and exactly what I want. The thing that I recommend is locking that room in place as well as the measurements. So how do you do that? You just left click or double left click in the middle of the room, and you'll see this little lock button, and you can hit lock position, and what that will do is it locks everything in here. The reason why that's important is because later on when you get a lot of stuff in your floor plan, you may accidentally click and drag and move something and not do what you wanted to, and this back arrow only goes back so many steps, so you may catch it later on in the process. So that was a problem that I ran into when I was making my own, so I wanted to share that information with you to help avoid any headaches later on. So again, turn that lock position on so that we can lock it in place. My other quick tip is to make sure that you save a lot just in case something happens. Go up there, hit save. I will tell you right away that this is going to be very addicting. You're going to want to keep going and going and going. It's a lot of fun. You'll also have some other options later on, so you can actually furnish the floor plan as well. So you can add furniture, the kitchen sink, the stove, everything in here, and you can even decorate, and then finally you can even do some landscaping. My requirements are that you just do the floor plan. So all you have to do is duplicate your graph paper here just with the rooms and the doors and everything that you see here. You'll also have to do the room labels. You do not have to furnish it. That'll be totally up to you if you would like to do that. I have a feeling majority are going to want to do it because it's a lot of fun. So I've covered number 3. Let's talk about number 4 here. So what do you do when you're done? There's a snapshots portion of the program that allows you to take snapshots of your floor plan as well as create 3D panoramas of the design. So let me show you what that looks like. So the snapshots tool is located here. You can do a basic or you can do a high resolution. That's the one I recommend because you get really nice, good looking pictures. They look very realistic. And then you also have a 360 panorama. Both of those are explained in the help menu video tutorials, but let me show you what one looks like. So here is a snapshot just of the top view of the floor plan. Here are some of the panoramas of a design that a student in one of my previous classes came up with. So the thing that's cool about the panorama is you can left click and drag in the house to actually see what that student designed with the furniture, windows, everything. And you notice that she did multiple panoramas in different rooms to really give a good idea of what her floor plan is all about. So that's a panorama. So what are you going to do with the panoramas and the pictures? Well, you're going to insert your link to your floor plan. So within the website, you have the ability to share it if you wanted to through Facebook, Twitter, all those other social medias. But here is the link. So you can grab this link and you're going to paste it in our OneNote binder so that way I can see it and I can go to it and I can grade it for you. You can also, what you're also going to have to do besides just adding the link is add in pictures. So those snapshots that you took, you're going to insert those right inside of your own OneNote binder. So I should see your link and I should see your pictures right here below these directions inside of this page. And finally, you're going to share this design with the rest of your classmates so we can do a peer review once we're all done with this and everyone can see each other's designs. So how are you going to do that? Well, we're going to navigate in our OneNote binder to the collaboration space that we've used for the same scenario on other projects, like when we did our custom rim project and we all shared each other's rims with each other. We're going to do the same thing with this project. So what you're going to do is insert a few snapshots of your design, and then you're going to insert the link right below those pictures, and then finally your name under all that information. And then when we assign each other to peer reviews, you'll be able to go in here, see some pictures, and then click on each other's links to see each other's designs. The last thing that we'll do later on, which I'm not going to explain right now in this video, is actually share this through the Autodesk Homestyler community. This website is awesome because many other professional architects and interior designers use this website. And if you look, you can give different ratings on different floor plans that you've found. So this would be a good way for you to also get some feedback from some other architects or interior designers as well. And I'll show you how to share it with those specific people later on. But I just wanted to let you know that that's to come, that you are going to be sharing this with an authentic audience, with people in the industry. It also tells you how many views you've had. And then if you look here, I will also be able to give you some feedback as well right here on the website. So it's a really cool program, a really good opportunity, and I'm excited to see the designs that you guys come up with for this project. And then finally, just to finish it off here with this video, I'm going to show you this floor plan that we were just looking at. So this is a student's in my previous class that a floor plan that she already made. So if you remember, we were in this room earlier, but it's really cool because you'll notice that she's furnished everything. She's added in the kitchen appliances, the beds, showers, sinks, toilets, everything. Even did a little outdoor patio area. So just kind of giving you a quick preview of some of the capabilities of this program and how cool it is.